You've probably been lying to yourself for years. I know I have, specifically about sunscreen. Now, I tell myself that I'm putting on enough, but honestly, it is just guesswork. You got the 2-finger rule, a pea-sized dollop, and it all feels a bit like a math problem every single morning. You squeeze out some and basically you just hope for the best, which is a terrible strategy when it comes to your skin. But your morning routine doesn't have to be guesswork anymore. So, this is my AM Doser from Skin & Me. It is a daily moisturiser with SPF 50. And no, it's not sponsored. But the magic isn't what's inside, although it is, it's how you get it out. You just twist the bottom until you hear a click. Each twist clicks out the perfect amount. No guessing, no doubt. That's SPF 50 every single time. So 1 dose for my face, done. And I am protected exactly, scientifically. It's so simple. It almost feels like cheating. It's just 1 step in the morning and I don't have to think about it. It has become automatic, like brushing my teeth. It just fits. And the formula, you've got 3 to pick from: sensitive, dry, and oily. And it just absorbs and it's gone. It doesn't leave you feeling horrific. And for the first time, I'm not just hoping I'm protected. I know I am. So no more little lies. Subscribe, because I need the validation and the caffeine, but mostly the validation.